Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the clean formula in Excel. Well, the clean formula, what it does is it removes any non-printable characters from your text or numbers in Excel and cleans it up. So for example, whenever you copy, most of the time when we copy some data, say from a PDF file or a Word file, we might get some characters which are of no use. Like when I copied this data, I was able to get this character in between after E, or before the H and after the O. So now what I need to do is I need to clean this up, because if I want to print it, or even if I want to show it as a clean text, then I can use the clean formula like I've used over here. How is equal to clean. Click over here, close the bracket, and you get the clean text. See, no matter how many non-printable characters are there in this text, it will remove all of them. Here's another example. Like when you see this, you'll see the word monthly report, but actually it has a character, a non-printable character over here, which is showing there as a space, and another non-printable character here, which is showing as a space. See, but when you try to print it, it will not look good. So you can clean it. So like this is equal to clean, select this text, and here's your answer. So this is how we use the clean formula in Excel. See you in the next video.